Ethereum is testing a crucial resistance level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this. If you're interested in charts and trade setups, make sure to check out our Telegram channel. This is where I post all of my updates as well as market trades, so make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. And I just want to say a huge congratulations for those of you that were part of Telegram. We absolutely killed this move set, so congratulations to those of you that have joined. Now, looking at Ethereum, we are on a very crucial resistance here at 1839. There are a few things I want to talk about in this video. Number one, of course, the fact that if we look at Bitcoin and we see that it's sitting around the 35K level, Ethereum still has quite a ways to go to play catch up. A lot of people are looking into Ethereum as of right now, and of course you can see that we are starting to see more and more bullish volume come into the market. But right now we are on a very crucial resistance here at 1839. What I'm going to be paying attention to on Ethereum is, of course, if we end up breaking this wick low right here around the 1805 zone, then I'm going to be looking to short Ethereum into the exponential moving average. Because we are so extremely over leveraged away from this zone, usually we end up retesting it as support before we see any sort of continuation. You can see the same thing happened down here on the 1657 level. We saw the breakout, we were over leveraged, got the retest, and then the continuation, which is why I'm suggesting you guys to pay attention to that zone. Of course, Ethereum doesn't necessarily have to get that retest and that pullback, which leads me into my second point, is why we're waiting for the 1805 level to be broken, because you want to be very careful shorting into volume. If we get the confirmation of the break, then we enter the short. Otherwise, every pullback right now is an opportunity to continue pushing on towards the upside, and our main target of 1884 still has to be hit. Zooming out, of course, you can see that this level was a very strong support, which should act as a very strong resistance. But ideally, if we can get a break above this zone or even a wick high, you can see from previous price analysis, we did get a very nice same continuation move set right here on this V-shape. If I were to just zoom in on the chart, you can see we had the same sort of V-shape completion. We had the retest, and then we had the breakout. Then we had a strong bullish engulfing candle leading back towards the upside. That's exactly what I'm paying attention to on Ethereum right now as well, where I want to see the same sort of retest into 1839 and then the breakout to 1884. That's the main level wick that I'm paying attention to, and ideally that's the main take profit zone as well. Now, zooming on the daily chart though, this is quite interesting. You can see that Ethereum broke out of a very large downtrend from these exponential moving averages. We ended up using it as support as well, which was the key indicator to know whether or not we start looking for long positions. I mentioned to you guys when we had the break of the 1715, we played this swing down to 1518, and the 1518 is a weekly support. Every time we end up losing it, we see some massive capitulation happen, but you can see that we were extremely oversold. The bulls did manage to actually break above that zone, which caused a massive short squeeze. Now we are seeing that continuation on Ethereum overall, and of course I am not looking for any sort of swing short positions here, because the trade has become invalidated with the amount of volume we are seeing. If of course Ethereum does end up falling right back below 1715 and we end up losing the main resistance that we saw, which has failed to turn into support, then that's the confirmation we want to see for the swing short. Otherwise, the only time we are shorting Ethereum is of course if we are looking for the scalps into the exponential moving averages. But overall, we have to pay attention to the volume, and right now of course we are seeing volume towards the upside, so you don't necessarily want to trade against the trend. Ideally, what we're going to see is of course the 1884 level being hit from this pullback opportunity, and then what I want to see is a consolidation zone, exactly like we saw over here. If we can get that consolidation zone on Ethereum, then we have good news towards the upside and that continuation. But of course, if we do end up seeing that false breakout and a capitulation, or of course breaking below the EMAs, and that's of course letting us know that this simply was just a short squeeze and we are not in that bull cycle just yet. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a one.